Redo.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it makes it even better. You'll make it up now for sure. You're gonna rail it. I thought you had it. And then it's like you gave it a bit too much gas.
You got like a chicane right at the top of the hill.
Yeah. It's a tricky little turn. Awesome. Good luck. Oh no! Total redo. Come on, my man. You got this shit. I know you do.
I know, I did too.
Your very first time was your best time.
I didn't know where I was going.
Okay, well you can see it now. Okay, he's got to make it this time because we need to carry on. We can't just get stuck on our first hill climb we make. Sure is stalling out a lot. You okay?
Yeah. Taking a breather.
Okay, bud. Here he goes, boys. Ooh, he's breathing fire this time. I can hear the bike. Here he comes. Tricky rocks are flying everywhere. Very nice to slide out to the... Oh my.
I lost my balance way down there.
Do you want me to lend you the 300? Want to trade and try it? I'll come down.
I'll make it up on this.
Okay. Dude, you totally have the momentum and everything.
I know.
She just...
I wanted to cut left of the tree and then I was like, no.
Yeah, you went high there and close to the tree. I was worried, but then it slid a bit too.
Yeah.
My advice, cover the clutch just a bit better through here.
Mm-hmm.
Just really cover the clutch. Maybe even sit down.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like sit stand, whatever you call that technique. But you're gonna hump her back down that hill, or do you want to switch bikes? Huh? Maybe you'll go right up it on the KTM. Wouldn't that be deadly? Come on, we'll never know.
Probably.
What if I can't make it up on that thing? And you make it up on that, and you can't make it up on that? What if that happened?
Yeah.
And what if nothing happened? You can't make it up with it.
You want to try?
Yeah. I'll bring it to you. I'll skid my brake all the way down. I'll make you a really good path. With the bikes, Jacob's going to be riding the old 300XC. Oh, you stalled it.
Haven't even gotten on.
Get a little feel of her and just do second gear, steady throttle through that turn. Second gear and just kind of clutch it a bit. I think you're gonna make it. Hey, I'll try first, and then I can video you. Okay, we made it on the Yamaha. It wasn't easy. It's tricky, that turn is tricky. Okay, let's wish them luck, guys. Got some good speed. Good. Oh! Yeah! 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 I don't know what it is.
That was so much easier.
I struggled too coming up on yours, but this is an enduro machine.
Exactly. That's why I need me one of these.
Good job, good job. Here, let's just drive over to our next.
Where are we? With the pit?
Well, now.
Is this the campground?
You got a hand cramp?
No, is this the campground that we're at right now?
No,
Double it?
no. We're almost at the top of that hill climb that I want to get to and cut that wire.
No way.
Yeah, it's right
We
there.
haven't even gone through the gravel pit.
The gravel pit, that big hill climb's before the gravel pit.
Are you talking about the one from the west side?
Yeah, yeah.
To go straight up over it.
Up through the fence. But you'll be surprised. You want to ride that, or I don't care.
Yeah, I'll try.
Sure, try that out for a minute. They both got electric start, so it's not a big deal breaker. There, so
I just find that all your controls are a lot stiffer.
yeah, they are.
Your throttle's stickier, the clutch is heavier.
It's an old bike. Oh, yeah. Woo! That's a good hill. That's a fun one. Across the road, up the bank, over the quad trail. Yeah! Let's go! Ooh, he likes my bike too much. Might have to take it away from him soon. First, I'm going to break this ground. Oh, God, there goes my car. There we have it. All snapped up. Got my gun. Rock. Okay, here we go. So, that's what we're looking at here, folks. Here it comes. See what he has. Get on it, boy. Atta boy. Here it comes. Yeah! That's how it's done, right there. Look at the peel over mark all the way across the road. No care for his life at all. Could have been a Freightliner coming down. Woo! That was awesome! Oh yeah. Is that how you're gonna park it for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, pal.
I just want to make sure it's secure.
What do you think of our new hill
Oh,
climb?
it's wicked.
It's pretty gnarly, eh?
Yeah.
You look great ripping up it.
Yeah, I did second gear the first time and then third the second.
Oh yeah. It is sketchy ripping across that road.
It does. I would keep it pinned, but
Yeah. I'd almost like
afraid of
to.
a car coming.
come and put a couple pylons up.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Good riding. Nice riding. The whole hill. I'll go right down to the bottom. Whoa! Yeah, dude, a little addition to an already pretty gnarly hill. I like this hill. It's fast. It's lots of rocks, so you get kind of pinballed all over the place. It's kind of fun. And yeah, you can make it every time. So. All right, we'll turn around over here. Okay, that was a lot of fun. Had a few surprises. That's awesome, eh? That's a good one. Well, where to next? Where can we make another good one?
I don't know. Everywhere, but.
Yeah. Well, let's go check out the pit.
Yeah. I gotta go grab my bag.
Oh, for sure.
You wanna go up there? I could go that way.
Yeah.